Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Honda Odessy 2005. I believe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 2005. This can be from 1999 up to 2010, 11, 12, 14 for the car without the push button. You know, the ignition cylinder, most of the time they jump. They never work good again and everything get messed up. And when you have that, the best thing is either you have to rebuild the old one. Where is the old one? You know, it causes a lot of work to do, taking all this stuff out, taking the ignition out. You see here, you have to use a heat to open all this stuff and then take it out. Take the airbag out, take the steering column out. Some people, if they don't, maybe the owner have to buy a complete what they call a steering column and change it, right? Or you just you buy a complete steering column, right?
No, I think
only the thing. So I'm just gonna go here. I don't want to take this one out, no reason for me to take it, but most of the time you can release the screws from this area here.
yeah.
And another one, when you finish you have to tie this one till it break, so nobody can open it.
Yeah.
That's how it's come. So now we put a new one. We have two keys. Here is the car. We read the information and let's go try to program those keys. I will say okay. Okay. He asked me is a blade key. Say yes. And this apply for Honda, Acura, Toyota. All the key with the blade. So Honda Odessy. So what do you need to? I just go to hot function. I don't want to go through the other one. If you need to be sure that if everything is okay, ignition is on. You only change the steering, you change the ignition cylinder, right?
Yeah.
The other one, the key doesn't want to come out. You see here?
Yeah.
So we're gonna leave this one here. We're gonna configure the car. Stay with us. We have airbag light on because of the airbag connector. You see here, we disconnect it. If you don't have any airbag light issue, you see this is why the airbag light is on, because it's disconnected. And here is already recognized the third generation. I say okay, and I will go through programming the key, but I don't know what happened to the other key or all kilos, which I gotta go with all kilos. It's have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. Say start, and now you're gonna wait. Turn the ignition off within 15 seconds. So follow the step. I turn the ignition off. He never say on, so turn the ignition on with the same key. I turn the ignition on with the same key. I'm gonna read what it say here. You see here success. Now he say it's programmed. Do you want to program another key? Just say yes. I'm gonna leave the same key inside. Turn the ignition off. Because I try, it doesn't work like that. So you see there, it blinking. So now maybe I'm gonna use the other one. So I'm gonna take this one out, put it here and put the other one within 20 seconds. Okay, you have to do it within 20 seconds. You see there, it says program. Do you want to program another key? Just say yeah, no. You see now success. Maybe it would take only one. Turn the ignition off within 15 seconds. It may take one, it may not take the other one. It happened to me before, I don't know. Honda is crazy. Turn the ignition on within 15 seconds. I turn it on. If that light go off, okay, it's not, that means I have to change the situation. There is a small trick. Turn the ignition off. Turn ignition on with the same key. Let's see what's gonna happen. 2, 3, and never take that second one. Is the immobilizer go off? Say no. So fail. So now let me see if the first one is being ready. I'm gonna put this one. If this one programmed, that means it's kind of funny. You see, it took only one. Why? I realized from doing a lot of key, when he tell you the key program, say do you want to program another key, just say yes and leave the first key in, cycle it and continue. So now I'm gonna start again. This time I'm gonna do different. I'm gonna go back, add a key. Okay, start, ignition is on. I wanna add a key, maybe it's different. Insert register key. When he say put the other key, success, you're gonna turn the key off. Is there still blinking? Say turn the key off. I did turn the key off. You say turn the ignition on using the register key. I did that. You say success. You see now it's blinking. Key program. Do you want to program another key? Say yes. You see now. Say yes. Turn the ignition off. I'm not gonna take this one out. This already programmed, but I will just say yes. Let me see if I can take this. I'm gonna put this one. Insert the new one. You see, keep blinking there. This is a new one. Let me see what's it gonna say. It's good idea. Start blinking, which is not bad. You say you want to program another one? I will say yes, just in case. You see, there is only one. Turn the ignition off. The same one, just go with it. Because I try all the way, it doesn't work. See, there is blinking. Say, do it 2 times. See, now look there. 1, 2, 3. It's supposed to go. Scan. Is the key go away? I say yes. Now you're gonna see here, it's supposed to be 2. Turn the key off. From here you can start it too, but you say turn the key on within 20 seconds. I turn it, that thing's supposed to go off, which means programming is done. Your key programming is success. Do you want to do another one? Say no. Now after everything is finished, you may get 2 key is programmed. I don't know why with hotel for Honda it's giving a lot of trouble. But at least we did 2 keys. One is already programmed. Turn the ignition on using the same key. I turn the ignition on using the same key. The light is off. And this applies for all cars. Honda, Acura, everything. Now he said turn the key off. I will turn it off. He's supposed to tell me programming success, 2 keys. Turn the ignition on. It's too much for Honda, I don't know why. Yeah. Communicating. Is the immobilizer out? Yes, this time I can say yes. Immobilizer is off. You're gonna see success. Turn the key off again. He asked me this couple of times. It takes almost 10 minutes just to finish this. The first all key lost. I was able to program only 1. Now I say turn the ignition on. Success, and at the end I have 2 keys. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.